Look at that. Just the side of his mouth.
Oh my.
I can't have him pop up. Never seen it all like fly. That thing is speckled. He will not come close. I can take your.
Chase?
Oh my.
That's a shark. That's a motherfucking shark. Oh my gosh, I just lost all of it. Do you have a big net by chance?
I do up in my truck. Walking into the calmer water. Yeah, just let it tire out. Maybe walk into these calmer
Looks
waters.
like a speckled.
Yeah, nice and easy, nice and easy.
Gosh, that is a shark.
He's out there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just bring it into the pool.
There he is. They're right there.
Look at that. Oh my god.
He's tangling it.
As long as you need. Take as long as you need.
I can see the power bait on the side. If this thing pops off.
Alright, take as long as you need.
Jump, Chase.
Yo, what is that?
What is that thing?
It's definitely
Still foul hook. Is he foul hook?
Moby.
Is
Is he
hooked
off?
on
He
his
just
tail?
lost it. You're off. I'm off.
Oh.
How many tails is it?
My
have?
gosh.
It's a
Dude, is this your string?
beast.
Yeah.
Dude, you
How-
Okay.
just cut it.
Popped off. Look at that. Just the side of his
Oh
mouth.
my.
Just the side of his mouth. So I'm still gonna cut it.